Mega, I agree. Roaming Gashe, I agree. But you know, Roaming Gashe, I didn't fucking boom up, man. You should fucking.
Oh my god.
Why you dying?
This is so funny,
What's
man.
funny, bro?
This is so funny.
I kill you guys. I just want to play with you guys. That's true, man. No,
Villain is
that's
so
why I
cute.
back playing you guys. But Uncle Moby is not bad, really not bad, man.
Villain is so goddamn funny.
Yeah, Pentasa is here because not bad, man, right? Pentasa? What do you think?
Let's go Northwest. Yo, why did Penta ignore you, Villain?
I, where we go?
Northwest,
Okay,
Northwest,
okay.
Northwest.
Hey Momo also is here.
Hey, Momo doesn't play the game anymore, man.
What do you mean?
He's AFK, dude. Hey, Momo, just log
What do you
in.
mean?
He log in, say hi, then boom, log off. Sorry, guys, I'm
No,
leaving.
no. Yesterday he played with us. 12 UTC.
Ah.
Hello, Adobo.
What's up,
At the
Debo?
boo.
No.
Hello.
Oh, you're on your. Did you just wake up?
7 a.m.
Good morning. BMW. Yankers have a purse.
You have a lot of purge. Oh wait, the statue just died.
Oh my god.
Wait, where was it? Where was it? Here? Right there? Okay.
내가 안피님 힐해준다. 너가 롬에 힐해. 괜찮아?
Yeah, this one.
Was it that bag? God damn it! Where'd they go? Static? Is it probably static group?
Ah, yeah.
Chest? Oh, he still has the chest!
Oh,
Go!
let's go. Fucking go.
Yeah, it's okay. It's easy way home, you know? Dude, I can't. Every time I play with villain, I just can't take villain seriously. I don't know why. This is you're so funny.
Huh.
Like every time I play with villain, I'm just not serious. It's just like it's like funny Rome.
No. So you really wanna join us or?
Yeah, Adobo, can I drop Adobo? I'm gonna drop guild so I can join Uncle Mop Duty Free Cop.
Oh,
my
my god, serious?
Yeah, I wanna be with villain forever.
I mean, it will be a problem if you want to spend like 2 UTC roams, man.
I know that could be an issue because we fight against Marte and Wheel a lot. 2 UTC. Actually, not lately though, Adobo. I feel like lately we've been dodging
Yeah.
PoE guys.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's up to you. It's up to you, man.
Hmm. Oh, that's a nice gatherer.
Yeah, you guys can join and then you guys can leave every time.
Yeah,
Whatever,
Uncle
whatever.
don't care.
Yeah, I really.
Oh.
Oh, second flex. What the?
Oh, can we just leave here?
Wait, they have no purge though. Oh my god, they have 7-3 bloodletter.
Yeah, they good.
Oh yo, I'm gonna get caught, guys. I think.
Want a demon
man.
or what?
You guys want to just demount? Yeah, demount. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna MP. Yeah. Pentata. MP.
I'm overcharged.
Okay. Just spread.
You
Keep
can
spread.
use-
I have 3 stack. Alright, ready? Look on B. 3, 2, 1. B. Oh shit.
Can you kill him? Can you kill him?
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
he dead. He dead.
Was he? High tier?
Yeah, he dead.
Yo, can we switch side? Actually, switch side.
My demon up.
I'm not ready. We
Well,
need
what
to
time,
peel.
what time?
We need to peel Penta. No, yo,
Yeah.
I have it in 3 seconds. You want to just Go on
Yeah,
Penta.
just do it.
On Penta. 3, 2,
Yeah.
1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, let's go.
Nice. I'm a Hellion. I'm a Hellion.
Yeah, I have Helion too.
Okay.
I have Lazy too.
You see the I have E in 10 seconds. Yo, I need a rest pod actually.
Yeah, same. I'm gonna use Helion.
I have a E in 5. Yo, all we gotta do is kill this last healer.
Yeah, same cooldown, whatever.
Yep. Ready? All right, you ready? You looking on X? 3, 2, 1. Fast on X. Fast. We have to do it fast. Oh no.
Oh, is that what?
It's kind of messed.
X? Oh.
X.
My bad.
Sorry. Yo, villain.
I'm gonna
go
use
east.
Lazy right
Go
now.
east. Keep walking east.
Yeah.
Oh no, we can go southwest. Yo, villain, watch your HP, man. Oh wait, I'm gonna die. Do we have E?
My demon
Okay,
up, my
nice.
demon up.
I have E in 3 seconds. Yo, look on Penta. You see Penta? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1 on Penta. Pierce, all pierce.
Yo!
Fuck.
Oh my god, no one died? How?
Yo, we can kill this Kingmaker.
Can you just kill
Oh,
D?
Penta?
D. Yeah, and A. He dead.
Okay.
My demon 5 seconds.
Yo, demon 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it's go on healer. Switch on healer.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Let's go!
Start looting. Just loot up.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
blood
I did.
Yeah, bloodletter guy.
letter.
Yeah, I'm gonna mount him.
No, blood letter 7-3. Oh, he's so fast. Oh.
Here's a low HP one.
Easy.
Yep, I root him. It's okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the 7-3 blood. Oh,
Yo, man.
sorry.
7-3.
I didn't bring OC, so what the fuck? Where's my OC?
No. Okay,
왜, 어디?
Where?
깜빡.
Oh man, we mess up.
여기 루팅 없고 나 근데 어차피 내가 힐러잖아. 나 가서 소용없잖아. I think you guys have to help Pentasa.
Yeah, we're trying, but we're far. I'm sorry, Penta. We went for the blood letter, man. Do we have 0 loot?